Hey guys, I'm Allison. Today we're going to be making butter slime. So what you'll need is a bowl, baking soda, Marble Magic, baby oil, shaving cream, contact solution, glue, any type of color. We'll be adding glitter and a scent. So what you'll do first is you'll get your glue and you will put it in your bowl. Oops. Okay. And then you're going to put in your shaving cream. Okay, then you go stir that around. Then you go put in some baking soda, just a little bit. Probably like a pinch. Okay, then you go stir that around and put your baby oil in. Two or three drops probably. It makes it a little more stretchy and it makes it like glossy. Then you go stir that. And then you're going to put your paint in, or your color. I'm going to use blue, a dark blue. Okay. And go add all the other stuff to make it nice. Okay. I'm going to wait to put the glitter in, but I'm going to go ahead and put my scent in. So I'm going to stir that around. I'm going to go ahead and start activating it. I'm using contact solution. Okay. Okay, so you're just going to keep mixing this. Okay. So it's like, this is just like fluffy slime, except you add Model Magic into it, or you add clay into it. I wouldn't recommend the air dry clay because it'll melt it. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hands. I'm gonna go back to the spoon because there's some, there's still glue at the bottom. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to keep adding this, and I'm going to add some glitter into it. There we go. Okay. It's just, if it's sticky, just add a little bit of contact solution, because if you add too much, it'll make it hard. Okay, this should be good. Yeah. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the glitter in, and I'm going to put some clay in it. Okay, I'm going to be adding some stars and hearts into it. And I'm going to add some pink glitter into it too. Wow, that's some bright glitter. And then just mix that into it. And then after that's mixed in good, you can add your clay into it. And we'll make sure to spread the slime out so that this can just go into it. Okay. And then just start mixing it. And butter slime, if you guys are wondering what butter slime is like, it makes it more stretchy. It's like makes it more stretchy. It makes it softer. And after I get done mixing, I'll show you how stretchy it is. And depending what color you get, it might discolor your slime, so I'm gonna add a little more blue in. A little more blue. Yeah, it makes it way more stretchy. Oh wow, okay, there's the paint. Oh. Oh wow, that's a lot of paint. If you guys liked the video, give a big thumbs up. Bye.